Hello students, how are you all? So today we will study about chapter 10 of our SST book, that is My India, My Pride. So till now we have studied about the names of the capital names, Pink City, okay students, and the national symbols, that is national flag, national envelope and national anthem, and also about the national song. Now we will study the national symbols. That is the first one. Here we can see a picture of Royal Bengal tiger. So that is our national animal. Okay students. Then there is an Indian peacock. So this is our national bird. And there is a flower which is called lotus. This is our national flower. Okay students. Then in India, the banyan tree is our national tree. Okay students. Mango is our national fruit and hockey is our national sport. Now, Hindi is Devanagari script is our national language. Our national river is Ganges or Ganga. So students, we are studying Hindi and it is scripted in Devanagari script. That is our national language. And the rivers which we worship a lot and we used to say our national river, that is Ganga. Okay students? Now we will come to the national leaders. So, India is the birthplace of great personalities. Some of them are an inspiration for all of us. Let us read about them. So the first one is Mahatma Gandhi. Students, we all have heard about Mahatma Gandhi. He is the father of our nation. He has contributed in our struggle to freedom. So let's know more about him. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was born on October 2nd, 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat. He was a lawyer, a politician and a writer who became the leader of the freedom movement against India rule in India. Gandhi ji led a freedom struggle using the weapons of ahimsa and satyagraha. So what is the meaning of ahimsa? Ahimsa means non-violence and the satyagraha, which means the fighting with peace. He lived a very simple life, devoted to prayer, fasting and meditation. Gandhi was assassinated on January 30, 1948. So students, Mahatma Gandhi's full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar. Was a lawyer, politician and a social activist. His main freedom struggle were ahimsa, which means non-violence, satyagraha, that means fighting with peace. Gandhi ji was assassinated on January 30, 1948. So here is another one, that is Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of India. He was born on November 14, 1889 in Allahabad. He joined the Indian freedom movement and later became the Prime Minister of the country. He was very fond of children, so his birthday is celebrated as Children's Day in India. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was born in Allahabad on 14 November 1889. He was also known as Pandit Nehru due to his roots with the Kashmiri Pandit community, while Indian children knew him as Chacha Nehru. And he loves children very much. And because of that, on his birthday, we used to celebrate Children's Day, that is on 14th November. And now we have another one, that is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. So Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar was an Indian jurist, economist, politician and social reformer, popularly known as the Baba Sahib. He was the first Indian to get a doctorate in economics abroad. He was born on April 14, 1891 in Madhya Pradesh. He always fought for social equality and justice. He was the first law minister of free India. He is remembered as the father of the Indian Constitution. So students, B.R. Ambedkar was an economist, social reformer and a politician. He fought for the right of the untouchable people. He is considered as a chief architect of the Indian Constitution. He was the first law minister of independent India. So now this is how we have come to the end of this chapter, part 2. Now let's learn about some difficult words, that is flora and fauna. That means vegetation and wildlife. Prosperity, the state of well-being. Ahimsa, non-violence. Satyagraha, fighting with peace. Assassinated, to kill someone for political reasons. Economist, a person who studies about the needs of the society. Okay, students? I hope students you have understood the subject. Thank you, class.